It's all gonna be interesting to see what happens. But believe it or not, top of my list, my favorite gap is Nikola. Sorry. It's a great gap.
There's no way that's a better gap than Tesla or
Tesla's a pretty decent gap. Workday's okay. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But here's the thing, guys. Again, for me, no one's talking about NKLA. No one's interested in it. No one's excited about it. Everything is up, and that thing is beat down so hard, right? It's beat down so hard. There's so many people shorting and betting against it that it just seems that it can get some bull pressure. I mean, if we make $2-3 on it, who cares? You know, that'll be, so you guys have all probably seen the October challenge already for real life trading. Danny says day trade, only day trade. Only day trade. That's correct. So if I do play this one, what I'm likely going to do is I'm going to donate any money that I make on it. That's what I'll do. That'll make me feel better. So if I do make money on Nikola today, keyword if, maybe I lose on it. But if I do play it and I do win, I'll donate the money. That's the October challenge. October is generosity month, by the way, at Real Life Trading. So one of the challenges that we have in front of us is to donate one of our R's to a charity of your choice. Cool deal. Go get you some, sir. All right, NKLA is building some pressure, which I like. I like that a lot. All right, and DocuSign is pulling lower, which is good. I'm keeping a very close eye on DocuSign. And then NKLA, it is a retest gap. I mentioned we should get it as low as we can. So I'm gonna keep waiting for some retests to come in on some positions. Valero is a worthless company apparently. NKLA is strong, strong, strong. That's right. That's right. Nikola flying. Yes, it is. All right. Target one hit.
Are you actually doing that?
Of course, dude. I told you I was gonna play it. Russ says he got an R. There we go. Now again, if any money that I make on Nikola, I'm gonna donate. Told you guys I'll do that. So if you want to go with the October Generosity Month challenge, next target is 26. I don't think we're gonna get there today necessarily, but I mean it's Nikola. We could. Told you guys it was a great gap today. I know my gaps. I know my market sentiment. It's all about that gap. That is it. All right, stop loss on Nikola, 2203 for anyone in it. If you're going to keep holding, again, you don't have to. Entirely up to how you want to play it and up to your plan. Totally up to how you want to play this one. Uh-oh, Nikola's going. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Is it gonna hit 2638? In the house of Falco. Oh yeah.
You got good days over here. You just need to move
I just need to move in with Robert Falco, ladies and gentlemen. Target hit on Nikola. Wow, that's a $4 a share move. Good job, folks. If you had the steals and stones to trade it. Hector says, Falco, how are you allowing this? Uday says, who thought this dud would go higher? I did. I did. Why would it not? Look at this gap. Look at this one white soldier. Look at that upper shadow. Look at these traps, traders. Oh my goodness. That's a thing of beauty. The reason I'm selling there is because that's the 200 simple on the daily chart. So I'm out of Nikola. Chester's excited. It's a 4-hour trade, ladies and gentlemen. On NKLA. Yes, sir. I'm not scared. Lily says you were absolutely the greatest. No, that was another just sheer luck. Sheer luck. But I will be donating some money. I will be donating some money. Yeah, I'm holding a partial to 28. Great job, Lee. Are you you donating your money with me on this one too, or are you just gonna keep your money on Nikola? Lee's gonna donate it as well. Awesome. Very cool. But hey, it feels good, right? It feels good. I mean, donations are great. I love giving money, cycling it out, helping the world go around, doing good things for good people. Lee says my husband will not be happy though. Yeah, I'm sure he will.